All right, so here's a really quick tip for those of you who are using Amazon S3 and then Cloudberry to upload your courses. I was recently building a course in Rise 360. As you can see here in this course, I have a background cover image. That's an SVG file. And then I have this is, as you can see, here's a full width image. It's kind of like a border. And then I have these character images. And so all of these images are SVGs. When I previewed those in Rise, it works really well. If you're not familiar with SVGs, why you would maybe want to use an SVG is because it's a vector-based image, and so it's going to really be nice and crisp versus a PNG or one of those types of images. So I have these SVGs. They're in the course. I preview them on Rise. They work. If I publish them to Articulate 360 and view them in review, they work. However, when I uploaded it to Amazon S3, this is what I saw. So instead of the cover image, I just get the title. And when I click in here, I can see the cover image is missing. And I scroll down and you can see here there's a SVG is missing. And then the border images are missing, and then the SVG is missing. So what's going on? Well, it turns out that when you're using Cloudberry, so I have Cloudberry. So if you're not familiar with this, so you can use Cloudberry as a way to upload your content to Amazon S3. I know a lot of people are doing that. So when I upload courses to Amazon S3, there's a content type information that's missing for SVG. So what you need to do is go into Cloudberry, go to the Tools tab, and then click on Content Types. And then you can see there's an extension. So we're going to use SVG, and there's also what type of content that is. So you go ahead and click on Add, and then you would type this in here. So this is what you want. You want the SVG for extension, and then you want this image / SVG plus XML for your content type. So I already added that, and then if I scroll down, I believe it's here at the bottom. So here's what I just added. And now when I view the course, I come back to, let's see, the browser. So now when I view the course, what you have to do is re-upload it. And then when it re-uploads, the content type information is added, and you can see now that the course is working the way I want it to work. So I've got my border image here. I've got my characters. You can see as we went to the top, I also have my cover image. So everything's working exactly the way you want to. So if you're using Amazon S3 and you're using Cloudberry to upload it, make sure that that content type is specified. Hopefully that helps.